In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to recover past tax returns. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the IRS option. If you filed your return using the 1040 or 1040 SR, you can request a copy of your previous return by submitting Form 4506 to the IRS. This is the official request form for a full copy of a tax return, including all schedules and attachments. Keep in mind, it can take up to 60 days for the IRS to process the request, and there is usually a fee per return. Also, the IRS typically only keeps full copies of tax returns for about 7 years, so anything older than that may not be available. Now, if you don't need the full return, there is a faster and free option called tax transcripts. These are available online from the IRS. A tax return transcript shows most of the information from your original return, while a tax account transcript also includes any charges the IRS may have made after you filed. To request these, you can use Form 45060 or 45060 EJ depending on what you need. These transcripts are usually available for the current year and 3 prior years, and they are much quicker to get than a full copy. If you file your taxes using TurboTax, you may not even need to contact the IRS. Just log into your TurboTax account, go to Tax Home, find your tax returns and documents, select the year you need, and download your tax PDF. You can also check the document section to quickly access and print past returns, and that's it. You have got multiple ways to retrieve your previous tax return depending on how fast and how detailed your needs are. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.